You've probably seen these kinds of videos on YouTube where different topics get explained in a super simple way. No face, no crazy production, just clear explanations and engaging visual. That format is called explainer style video, and a lot of creators are using this style to pull in millions of views. For example, I found one video with over 14 million viewed. If we assume even a $4 RPM, that video alone likely made around $50,000 from one upload. Now you might be thinking this style is old, maybe it doesn't work anymore, but that's not true. There's a channel with only 16 videos that already has over 14,000 subscribers, and almost every upload gets hundreds of thousands of views. And that's not the only one. Another channel explains complex topics and reached over 100,000 subscribers with fewer than 20 videos. One channel focuses only on guns and weapons. Another talks about animals. One covers business stories. Another breaks down the Marvel universe. Here's the crazy part. When you actually pause and look at their views, they're insane, especially when you realize how few videos some of these channels have uploaded. So clearly this style still works. The real question isn't whether it works. The real question is, how do you find the right niche and start your own channel the smart way? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find strong video ideas, write scripts that keep people watching, choose the right visuals, record voiceovers, design thumbnails that get clicked, edit everything together. And the best part, you don't need to spend money to get started. If you're a beginner, don't worry. I'm breaking everything down step by step. So let's start with step number 1. I've already provided a Google document, which you'll find in the link in the description. Open that document and copy the first prompt for idea generation, then paste it into ChatGPT. Once you do that, ChatGPT will generate a bunch of video ideas for you. From there, you can simply choose one idea to turn into a video. For example, you might see ideas like every type of chocolate explained, every type of movie villain explained, and many more. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna choose each type of pizza explained. The reason is simple. Almost everyone loves pizza, and it's one of the most popular foods in the world. That means the potential for views on this topic is huge. Once you have your video idea, move on to the next step, which is generating the script. Go back to the Google document and copy the second prompt, which is the script generation prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. Then, where it asks for the topic, simply type your video idea. In my case, I'll type each type of pizza explained. Now, press enter. ChatGPT will instantly generate a full script for your video. In this script, each type of pizza will be explained in a simple and engaging way. If you want the script to be longer, you can just ask ChatGPT to expand or elaborate on. But honestly, even the first version is usually good enough to start with. Once the script is ready, copy it and paste it into Notepad or any text editor so you can organize everything easily. After that, move on to the next step, finding visuals. To do this, take the key elements from your script. For example, in my script, the first section talks about Italian pizza, which becomes the main visual element. So I'll copy that key phrase and search it on Google. You'll instantly find a bunch of images related to that topic. You can download these images one by one. Another option is YouTube. Simply paste the same key phrase into YouTube search, and you'll find a lot of videos. You can use short clips from these videos as footage for your own video. There's also a third option. Go to Google and search for free stock footage websites, then type your key phrase there, and you'll find free clips that you can download and use. Just download the visuals one by one, and you're ready to go. You'll repeat this process for every section of your script. For example, if the first paragraph is about Italy, you collect all the footage related to Italian pizza. Then if the next section talks about another country, you search and download visuals for that one as well. Basically, go step by step, matching the visuals with each paragraph of the script. Once you've gathered all the visuals, move on to the next step. Voiceover. For the voiceover, we're going to use 11 Labs. Open 11 Labs and paste your full script into the text box. Now, you can choose any voice that fits your style. Just click on the voice library. Browse through the available voices and select the one you like. After selecting the voice, click Generate, and the AI will create the voiceover for your script. Once it's ready, simply click Download and save the voice file. Now, let's move on to the next step, creating the thumbnail. The reason these types of videos go viral is often because of their eye-catching thumbnail. To create one, go back to the Google document and copy the last prompt, which is the thumbnail generation prompt, and paste it into ChatGPT. Now you'll need to change a few things. First, decide how many items your videos explain. For example, 5 items, 6 items, or maybe 10. In my case, I'm going to explain 10 different types of pizza, so I'll type 10. Next, tell ChatGPT what your video is about. Since my topic is pizza, I'll write pizza and include the different countries featured in the video. Then press enter. ChatGPT will generate a thumbnail idea that looks something like this. And honestly, it already looks pretty good. But if you want to make it even better, you can ask ChatGPT to convert the thumbnail into a vector-style design using a simple prompt. After that, ChatGPT will generate an even cleaner version of the thumbnail. Download the thumbnail, and you're ready for the final step, editing. To edit this type of video, you can use any editing software you like. Programs like Premiere Pro work great, but for this tutorial I'm going to use CapCut because it's simple, free and perfect for beginners. Now, if you want a full editing tutorial on how to edit these types of videos, I've already made a long editing tutorial where I explain every step in detail. In that video, I show the complete process, how to arrange the visuals, sync them with the voiceover, and turn everything into a finished video. If you want that tutorial, just comment below on this video, and I'll send you the link. Also, if this video reaches 1,000 views, I'll share the software and setup I use so you can follow the exact same process.